Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set different ringtone for different contacts Samsung. We start by clicking on the phone icon, and after that, we enter contacts. Here we will look for the contact to edit and click on it. After that, click on the three lower points of More and select the option to change ringtone and vibration. We confirm the ringtone option. Afterwards, we will be able to configure the melody volume as well as the ringtone that we want exclusive for that contact. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.